Hi, for today we will be playing Havana on Sonic Cat. Havana, na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, na na. Hitting me back to his Havana, na na. All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana, una. They don't want nothing to run. As if there's a lot of girls I can be with. I'm doing forever in a minute. And breakfast and he got my looking him. He got me feeling like ooh. I knew when I met him, I loved him when I loved him. Cause it's feeling like ooh. And then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh na 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 na. Havana, na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, na na. Hitting me back to his Havana, na na. All of my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana, Havana, na na. You can go get this game on the App Store. I'm not sure on all the devices it can download on, but I'm assuming that you can install it on any device except for computers, but any like phone or tablet, I'm guessing you could be able to play it. And this game is called Sonic Cat. You can earn a whole bunch of diamonds and stuff, unlock new things, musics, the weapons that you use, new skins. It's a fun game. You should go download it.